There are many reasons why you can use social media, and there are also many reasons why you should not use social media. The world contains a lot of distractions. There are so many distractions out there. If you compare, I don't know, 2020 with, for example, 1900, there are much more distractions going on. Life goes fast. Everything is available now within a few clicks. Movies, music, content. We can order online. There's just so much we can do online. There are just so many distractions. So if you don't just take a moment and reflect about the specific service, whether you use it or not, then you have the tendency to quickly jump on that next new thing, the next new app, the next new service. So you want to really ask yourself, if you find a specific advantage in an app just because other people are using it, for example. They tell you, this app is amazing, you should use it. At the same time, you want to really reflect about the disadvantages. What do you have to lose and what do you have to gain? When you are very clear and intentional about your day, then it's easier to decide whether an app is actually going to serve you. You will just ask yourself this question, is this app going to benefit in my life, or is this basically distracting me from life? And that's what you want to do. You want to evaluate the pros and the cons. What are the advantages? Oh, the advantage is that I can post videos. Well, maybe I don't need this app because I'm already posting videos on YouTube, for example. Or I can stay in contact with family members or with friends. Well, if that's an advantage, then maybe it's not necessary for me to use the app because I am in contact with friends and family by using that other app that I have already installed on my phone. So why using that new app? Just because people talk about it? Just because I have to have it, because people say it's fantastic. You see the CEOs of all those apps, they're happy if you install those apps, and they're happy if you spend all of your time on those apps. They're happy, they make the money, they become successful. But ask yourself, is it valuable to you? Is there any benefit in your life when it comes to using that app? So don't just think about, oh, there's one advantage, so let me just use the app, let me install the app. No, think about the disadvantages. If there are 10 disadvantages and just one advantage, then you want to ask yourself, is it worth using that app because of that one advantage? Is it worth using that service just because of that one advantage? So think very carefully how you're going to use the app before installing it, and if it's going to be beneficial, if it's going to add to your life, or if it's going to subtract you from your life. So be very mindful about every single app that you're going to install on your phone.